Hey everyone, fellow hybriders, infinite energetic beings. This is Ricky from the Hybrid community. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and we are here to empower ourselves to our highest vibrations. Now, there are only two basic vibrations of emotions which exist in this world. One is something which we have been given with, is something which we, in our most natural state, already are, is something which is real, and is something which is the only truth, and that is love. The other, which is the opposite of love, is something which we have created, is something which we have made, is something which is an illusion, and is something which is not real. We think it is hate, but it is fear. Now, all the other emotions which we are so familiar with are nothing but subcategories of these two basic vibrations of emotions. So when we are in love, we experience laughter, we experience joy, we experience peace, we experience happiness, we experience forgiveness. While on the other hand, when we are in fear, we experience anxiety, we experience depression, we experience anger, we experience hatred, we experience jealousy, we experience judgments, and so on. Now, these two vibrations of emotions cannot coexist together with each other. So when we are in love, there is no chance that fear can survive, and when we are in fear, there is no chance that love can survive. And that is because always one is going to be the truth and the other is going to be an illusion. Now, fear stems from a limiting belief that we are separate from the universe, that we are alone in love, and that we are not worthy of acceptance. Now, if you either tend to recoil when you are hurt, or if you tend to take revenge when you face rejection, or if you go into attack mode when your beliefs are challenged, then it most likely you are being operated out of fear. Now, fear is also linked to attachments. So when we are in the past or when we worry about the future, we are vibrating at a lower vibration frequency of fear. While on the other hand, when we are in the moment, when we are in the now, we are vibrating at a higher vibration of frequency, which is love. Now, majority of the population, which is more than 80%, are being operated out of fear, and that is because the system is designed as such that it intentionally is keeping you in a lower vibration frequency of fear. When you are unaware and when you are unconscious, it is easier for the system to make decisions for you and to manipulate and control your life. And a lot of these systems are being run by businesses, and profits tend to multiply from a very lower vibration frequency of greed. Now, the mainstream, the media, the news which we see, the news which we read, are all being intentionally based out of fear. Now, fear is a very interesting vibration because what it does is it tends to create someone, or it tends to create a situation to blame, and we think that when the situation or when someone which we have put the blame on is eliminated, the fear within us is going to dissipate, which is again a very big illusion, because what we as humans in our most natural state are nothing but fragments of source energy, which is God. So when each one of us starts to go within and to find that light inside of us, we automatically as a whole collective will start to vibrate at a higher vibration frequency of love. Now, I won't hide from the fact that this world is surrounded by darkness of fear. It exists inside me, it exists inside you, and we tend to think that we need to fight the system, we need to fight with the media, we need to fight with the mainstream, we need to fight with the news, we need to fight with the good or with the bad. But the truth is, you don't have to fight with anyone, because the only person who we have to fight with is ourselves. The only battle is within, because if we expect the world to be loving, we need to ask ourselves if we ourselves are loving. If we expect the world to be kind, we need to ask ourselves if we are kind. And if we expect the world to be peaceful, we need to ask ourselves if we are peaceful. Because the world is nothing but a reflection of our own state of mind. So every hour, every minute, every day, and every second, and every moment, we have a choice. We have a choice to be operating out of love, or we have a choice to be operating out of fear. Remember everyone, Anything which creates division, anything which creates separation, or anything which encourages competitiveness is nothing but lower vibration frequency of fear. Whereas anything which promotes togetherness, anything which promotes wholeness, anything which promotes oneness is a higher vibration frequency of love. So I request you all to promote togetherness, I request you all to promote wholeness, I request you all to promote oneness and vibrate at a higher frequency. This is Ricky signing off from somewhere in India. All the love, joy, peace, abundance and happiness to you. Namaste.